Hola, ¿cómo estás? Let's do a little bit of recap about the present tense. We know that the present normal tense in the modo indicativo is the one that we use the most. For example, hablo español seguido. Remember that seguido means often, so I speak Spanish often. So this would be the presente del modo indicativo. We also know that we have the gerund. That would be when we are doing things that are in progress, like at the moment when we speak. For example, estoy hablando español seguido. This can be translated as I am speaking Spanish often, or at the moment, or lately, I've been speaking a lot of Spanish. Both these tenses are present in the modo indicativo. But remember that we also have the modo subjuntivo, which is when we are not sure about what may or may not happen in the future. For example, quizás hable español seguido en el futuro. I may speak Spanish often in the future. I don't know. I am not sure. But because there is a likelihood I may or may not do it, then we're going to switch to a different present. In this case, presente del modo subjuntivo. Now we can do the same thing with the modo subjuntivo, just as we did with the modo indicativo, when we use the gerund. So I can say, quizás esté hablando español seguido. Now, what does that mean? It means that in the future, there's a likelihood that I might be speaking Spanish often. So that likelihood with the gerund that I might be speaking is expressed as we see here with the verb in the gerund and the other verb, in this case the verb estar, in the subjunctive. Instead of saying estoy, we are going to say esté, which is the present for the verb estar in the modo subjuntivo. So as we see here, we can have a normal present in the modo indicativo, and we can also have a gerund in that present in the modo indicativo. We have the same things in the modo subjuntivo. We have the normal present, and also we can use the gerund in the modo subjuntivo. But now we have this structure. Si hablara español seguido, mejoraría. So hablara has a different conjugation. What is this? Just as we have the pasado in the modo indicativo, we can also have a pasado in the modo subjuntivo. So the word hablara is the imperfecto in the modo subjuntivo. We already know hablaba as the imperfecto in the modo indicativo. Well, we also have an imperfecto in the modo subjuntivo. This means if I spoke Spanish often, I would improve. So what we are doing here is introducing a new tense in the modo subjuntivo, which helps us to speak about hypothetical situations. So let's see how to do this.